I can't believe what I'm about to do, you guys. Look at the captain looking at my chopper. Wow. He's gonna be leading these beans. CC back at it again with another video, y'all. My hair is looking pretty wild and dry. Need to put something on it. Today is Sunday. What's the day today? The 10th. Me and Quincy, we both don't have to work today. So I'm just gonna go to my uncle's house for a little bit, you know, just chill out, hang out with the fam. Gonna make my stuffed bell peppers, you know. So what?
Wait, look what it say on there. Look what it say. Migos featuring who? Tell.
Wow. Shade, total shade. It said Migos featuring Nicki Minaj, but no Cardi B. Shady, bro. And she got 2 plaques already, though. But she got 2. She kind of is. But, yeah, you're right. Say hi to all of our subscribers. I know you guys haven't seen him in a while. I have to get him some like, shampoo for, like, fur or whatever you want to call it, because his fur gets, like, really dry. I told you could get up here. You guys like his Christmas sweater? 'Tis the season to be barky. Who told you could get all the way up here, Dice? Look at this dude. Dice. Dice. He doesn't know his name yet, but hopefully he'll get it soon. Me?
Yeah.
I know. Dice! Hi! You can see your pretty brown eyes today. I didn't get to finish vlogging last night because I was tired. I didn't get home till like 1:30 in the morning. It was snowing really bad. And yeah. We're about to dissect a freaking pig. I can't believe what I'm about to do, you guys. Bruh.
Yes, I want to just cut open the eye. Just
Bruh.
Like, that was the best face ever.
Bro.
It's like, hey guys, help me out here.
Oh my god.
I thought that was a
This is like... Do you know people eat this? People eat this. People eat this. They eat this. Oh my god. All that is tongue. Oh, that's so sad. Dude, I don't think I've ever seen like super small nipples. I think that's the umbilical. Well,
That better not be the.
that's kind of like...
I bet.
Is it?
I bet. Like,
It kind of looks
seriously.
like it. That's his butthole, I think. Or, oh, I think that's the testicles.
Yep, bet this guy's a dude. It's a dude. We got a dude.
Disgusting.
Got a little more on either side there. Use your scissors.
Chelsea, this is why I teach Earth and Space Science.
Oh my god,
like
this is so disgusting.
I would do this if I got paid. Like, holy hell, if I did this for a living, I would totally do this. I would mess around, but also do my job.
Oh my god. Poor piggy. I feel so bad.
So you have about 10 minutes. You can pull out any old stuff. You need to finish up any of the labs we did last week or the questions that go along with them. You got some time. Hey.
That one, the last one would have
Oh, yeah, What's that?
I wouldn't have fell to the ground. I would have stumbled.
I'd say that was pretty good.
And around.
And then on the other side,
Right
too?
there. Just need to go a little deeper. Grab your scissors. And then what you want to do is come down the other side of the umbilical cord. Alright, and then what you want to do is make a cut down there, and then one down there, and then do the same thing on both sides so you can open it up. And then we'll rinse it out good. You'll be done for today.
Okay.
I just was so confused about it.
Yeah, just do it like right there. Good. So we don't cut ribs. Good.
Poor little piggy.
You just want to be able to move that back so we can see inside.
No, the last one we did was, and I didn't test you guys on.
Oh my gosh, it looks like really what it looks like when you see like a picture of an intestine. It really looks like that. Wow, it's amazing.
So like this big thing right here, that's the liver.
Wow.
Remember I was saying your liver is giant?
Yeah.
That little thing's your liver. Still the liver. Stomach is right there.
Here's the intestines and small intestines.
Small intestines. Large intestines. We'll find tomorrow. Why don't you bring it back and we'll rinse it out good?
Here, so
I think the vocal cord is like inside. Oh my god, you're just ripping it open. Now it's like wide open.
Let's cut the whole entire neck.
You know, like round circles, but they have lobes. You can see a lobe there, a lobe there.
I think the vocal cord is like, I don't know. I think it's like right there. Those two little flap things. Yep, right there. That's what I think they are. Oh my god, you can see the ribs. I can't believe we're gonna have to cut the heart out.
What's gonna happen sooner?
Ew.
Let's go, veins. Come on, man. Oh, rip. Okay, these lungs are really pissing me off.
Okay.
Let go.
Dang, you're just snipping away. Are you sure you're not snipping nothing you're not supposed to cut?
They just took out the whole entire lung, and plus the heart. Okay.
Ew.
There we go. Cut out the heart, but I also cut out his lungs too. Sorry, mate.
Well, that was the next step.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Well, I just skipped the next step. Ooh, I'm good. Well, rip.
That is gross.
It's all pink inside. Oh, it feels like a rainbow. Look at this purple color. This is cute.
No, he doesn't have a heart.
Now it's all purpley. Look at all that mixed little colors.
Woo! Ew.
Oh, look at that.
Woo! So sad.
Dude,
I dare you to eat it.
No!
I'll give you $100 right now if you take a bite.
Dude, I have to like deadly wash it first before I take a bite out of it.
So that's the esophagus
Yep, the larynx and everything.
and the larynx all right there, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, this thing is over with now.
We must look more into it. There has to be some more stuff to cut.
What if it was like a ball or something in there?
Ugh, that'd be nasty.
Ew.
Just
It's all
flesh.
blue inside of here.
When I cut.
There you go. Snip that. That's the duodenum, the little piece that comes out of the stomach. Peace. And then how you unravel it is you just randomly find. You see the mesentery tissue, this clear stuff?
Yes.
You just find a piece of that and you just rip it. And then you just keep going
That's nasty.
right down the line.
Take the kidneys out. I was just gonna say, don't they have two kidneys too?
Yeah.
Big. The little hairs, they look so cute.
After this, I'm really just gonna cut up the whole
Like a
entire
new baby. Like they lay so perfect. Ugh. Is that it?
thing. Yeah.
Wait, what you doing?
I'm cutting up the arm.
Hold on, wait.
I know, it's not in the rules. That kitty's just the last thing.
Oh, okay.
Kidneys?
Yes!
Yeah.
Say hello to Mr. Kidney.
No. Okay, kidneys.
What?
That is your liver.
I told you that was the liver.
Kidney and the other part?
Right here's the little gallbladder underneath. Right there.
Oh, wow,
here?
that's how little it is?
Yeah. Here's the stomach. There's the pancreas.
What's this then?
That's the rest of your lungs. There's the rest of your diaphragm. There's the descending aorta. Big
Yeah.
blood vessel going, or it could be the vena cava coming up. The kidneys are right here. Yeah, one on either side.
Oh!
The big round thing right there.
And then let's cut that thing out.
Oh, they're all the way down there? Oh, you do see it, kinda.
You say they wouldn't be jerky. Bugs and whatever else. Did you say it would, or it wouldn't?
Now he's just doing whatever he wants with it. Oh my god, you're just gonna cut through the bone. Oh my god, you just broke his bone.
What?
If you left those intestines in there for like 5 years, would they like shrivel up?
Do you see the bone in there?
I don't think they would rot too much because of the preservative.
Wow.
Moldy or but
Trying to look at the brain.
Inside, like he shoved it by, like in between the skull, in the.
I guess it's my fault. I said, let's look at the brain. He was like, no, I really want to see it though. So we can't look like in the inside of it, like.
No, stop. Where's your scissors at?
Under.
Alright, got like 2 more minutes before we gotta clean.
I've always been curious what a pig's brain looks
Or just
like.
poke inside of it. Yes!
Oh my god, it's that hard?
Or
I guess.
thin.
It's the cranium. Oh my gosh. I think it's gonna look like the intestines. I think it's gonna look wrinkly.
Wrinkly and like.
It's gonna be mushy. You think it's gonna be mushy?
I'm gonna go wash my hands downstairs.
Okay.
Oh my! I wasn't expecting it to look like that.
Nice! It looks just like the brains on those cartoon shows and like, you know, those.
No, it don't look how I thought it was gonna look.
You gotta push on the brain.
Ah!
Alright, Josiah.
I'm having way too much.
Respectful.
You need this?
To the pig.
Respectful to the dead.
Be respectful to the pig. Dang, we got all his organs just hanging out.
I really want his skull. Just saying.
We want the tray out of here.
Sad, could I have the pig skull?
No.
Damn.
We should have.
What? I thought it was a
We should
souvenir.
have looked at the eye.
Wait, that reminds me. Let's actually look at the eyeball.
Really good team. Good job, guys. Ryan, I'm proud of you for reading.
Oh my god!
Actually,
He's making my stomach hurt.
thanks for that experience. That's how we'll watch out for you.
This was an awesome experience, Seth. Thanks. I'll never forget this, especially Josiah. He
Alright,
definitely helped the moment. You can't even see the pupil. He doesn't have a pupil? He doesn't have a pupil in there, Seth?
Sure, he does somewhere.
Small intestines was 7 feet long, y'all. 7 feet. Driving, Manny. You driving? Hey.
He on beat.
Yeah.
And I hope
Say good morning. He was trying to say good morning. Say good morning. Shut up. Mama.
He said, nah.
Mama. Mama. Mom.
Man, and I hope you.
Things Quincy does. I don't know what happened to the sheet, y'all. Every night. Woo! Dang! He was walking on the bed and knocked Manny down.
Alright, here you go, man. Here you go. I'm getting tired.
Hey.
Alright.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and y'all already know what to do. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!